Hello students, now today we'll do the practical of lesson 6. That today we'll study that how we add the drop down list on the form. As you see here, I have written the code HTML tag open, and after that I have opened the head tag. So on the notepad I am writing the code, this code where we write HTML codes we are writing on a editor, that is the notepad. So here I have written, see the HTML tag open, head tag open, inside the head title open, and inside the title I have written using drop down list. This is the title set. Now this is the title bar, you can see untitled notepad. So on the web page also, at the top of the web page you will see this the title bar position, you will see the title using drop down list. Now body tag open, background color is set light green. Now form open. Now form tag open, inside the form I have written one paragraph, select your right destination. Now for this drop down list I want to provide the options. So with the help of the select tag we create the drop down list. Select name equals to cities. So this drop down list name we have given the cities, and the options, with the help of the option tag we provide the options to the drop down list. Now option attribute selected, so the first option will be highlighted, that is the Chandigarh. You will see the option. After that you can see the second option I have taken. Now in the second option we'll add the name of the second city. So first let me copy it. So let me copy, because we have to write more options. Control plus C. Okay, now it is copied. Now I will provide the name of the second city. Second city name is given Kolkata. So we can write the second city name Kolkata. Okay. So we can write Kolkata, and we'll go at the end, and after that we'll press the enter key. Control V for the next option. After Kolkata there is the Bhopal. Second city name is Bhopal, and after that another option we'll add, that is the Lucknow. And after that another option Lucknow, you can add Chennai. Okay, now control plus V, another option we can provide here, that is after Chennai we can write the Delhi. And after that we need to provide another option, there we can write the Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. After that we can provide another option, and we can write the, so Kolkata, Lucknow, Patna we can write Patna. And after that we can provide the other option Simla. Control V, there we can provide the option Simla. Okay, now we are going to execute it. First we will save this, the file name, that I am going to save it with the drop.html. drop.html. Now save it. Let me minimize it, and I will execute it with the help of the browser. So here I'll write the file name drop. As you can see the file, let me make a double click on it, so that will be executed. Now you can see it will run. Now you can see here, select your right destination. Select your right destination. Here the one option is there, and now when I click on this arrow you will see the drop down list: Chandigarh, Kolkata, Bhopal, Lucknow, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Patna, and Simla. As you can see it here. Okay, so Like this we can also add the combo box. In the same we can make the changes. So to make a combo box, we add a scroll bar here, and at one time you want to see only few name of the cities. So how you do that? Just only in the select tag we use the property size equals to 4. What we use, size equals to 4, so that will be changed into the. So let me minimize it, and no need to minimize. Let's open the notepad, and there we go. And here selected, after selected I write size equals to 4. So just I have to use what size equals to 4. So here I mentioned that one time. Now you will see the only 4 cities name. Okay, so in this combo box is also a drop down list with a scroll feature added to it. Okay, now in the this feature can be added by using the only size attribute of the select tag. So in the select tag you have to use the size attribute, and the value you will pass to the size attribute. So as what the value will pass, so that number of options you can see in one page. Now save it and execute it. So let me open the web page. Now I'm going to refresh it. So when I will refresh, now you can see the just a minute. Yeah. So this is size equals to 4. We have put it at a wrong place. This here you have to remove it. Control plus X. You cut it. This is the attribute of the select tag. So here we have to write size equals to 4. Now save it, and after that we are going to refresh the web page. Now you can see at one time. Now this is the combo box. Here at one time we are seeing only 4 cities name, and the first one Chandigarh is selected, highlighted by default. So if I write the selected, so the first one here we have is already pre-selected. Chandigarh is pre-selected. Now you can see here option selected Chandigarh. Now this is selected. If I will write to the Kolkata, so the Kolkata will be pre-selected. Now control plus X. So I am going to add it here in the third option, Bhopal, selected. Now save it. Now you can see, open the web page, and here I will refresh it. So now you can, here you can see, just a minute again. Option Chandigarh, option selected. So here you can see the we have written the option selected to the Bhopal. So just a minute. Let me remove it from here. Now you remove, delete it only. No need it. Now again save it, and we are going to refresh it. Some problem occur. Just a minute. Let me close it again. I have to execute it. So that is saved one. Let me minimize it, and this time I will run with the Chrome browser. Here, right click, Now you can see here, now nothing is selected. So again let me go there and write here. Now let me save it. So when we have removed the attribute selected, as you have seen there, no option is highlighted. So there is no pre-selection. Now this time we have written the attribute selected, that is in the option Bhopal. So let me refresh it. Now again it is hanging, not working. Next time. Okay. Let me write the name of the file. That is the file. Here also drop.html. Make a right click on it. It's working very slow. Just uh, right click is not working. Let me type the name of the file. Okay, here. Now location. So let me open the location. Here I will find the file drop. Let me search the file here. Here you can see the drop this file. Now right click. Now open with. There you find the option Google Chrome. So let me execute the same HTML file. I am running with the Google Chrome browser. Now you can see the output. If you are getting sometimes any attribute is not supporting, now here you can see the Gopal is highlighted. So that is the difference. So sometimes what happens, some features is not supported by some browsers. So don't worry about it. Execute that file with the help of the another browser. So mostly use the Google Chrome. Okay, now you can see the options. Now again, if you go there and you increase the size, the value of the size from 4 to 5 or 6. So you at one time you can see the name of the, you can see the name of the 6 cities. If you write the, if you pass the value to the size attribute 6, so you will see the name of the 6 attributes. Okay, now here I can select the Chandigarh also, Kolkata. If I select, so Chandigarh is deselected. Now I will select Lucknow, so that will be, now click on it, it will scroll also. If I select Patna, that will deselect. If I select Delhi, Patna will be deselected. So this is all. Okay, so this is all for today, students. In the next class we will study it. We will create a form by giving the multi select options. Okay, so in that only select name cities, they are select, we use the attribute multiple, so we can select more than one files also. So let me show you today only. Here I will write the multiple. Here open this file, HTML file. Now there, here in the select name size 4 is given, so that let me change it from 4 to 6, and after that I write the multiple attribute multiple. Okay, so after writing the multiple, now let me save it and again let me execute it. Refresh the web page. Now you can see 6 lists are there. Now when I click it, it is already highlighted. So here now I can select more than one options. Now I can select Lucknow also, see the Bhopal, Kolkata, Chandigarh. So this is not supporting. Just a minute, again I have to execute it. So problem is occurring. It should be selected. Not supporting. Okay, no problem. Spelling is correct. multiple, multiple. Multiple is correct. No problem there. It is already saved also. Okay. One time more. Refresh it. Not happening. So we have to execute it again. Okay, close it. Now again I will type in the file name, drop. Now let me execute it here. It is with the Mozilla Firefox this time. Now here it is already pre-selected Bhopal, and second option, this is multiple is not supporting this browser. Attribute multiple. So let me remove this size attribute first, then we'll see that. Okay, now this is removed. Now let me save it again. We refresh it now also. So we have to close it and we have to again execute it here. Make a right click, go on the Google Chrome. Now this tab you see. Okay, so just a minute, we have to select the mode option, we have to press the control key. So we forgot that. Yes, now you can see this. Second, press control key, press control key, now it is working. Okay, so if there is the problem, if you want to select more than one option, so we have to press the control key. So this is all for today, students. In the next class we will study the remaining topics. So thank you for your kind attention.